Mosa R Tire, the best solution for tire repair. R Tire Taiwan Excellence Award. Simple and fast tooling. Repair and inflation in 3 minutes. Easy to carry. Simple operation. Fast and time saving. The tire sealant does not block the tire valve core. The tire sealant does not damage the rim and is easy to clean. DIY, no technical expertise required. Once completed, ride immediately. Mosa R Tire provide you with a pleasant repair experience. R Tire provide you with a pleasant repair experience. Tire is punctured while riding a bike. Screw 2-piece Mosa tire sealant chargers into the tire. Then screw 1-piece Mosa CO2 charger into the tire. Screw the tire valve. Then you start riding. Simple and fast tire repair with Mosa R Tire. The tire sealant does not block the tire valve core and use the sealant charger to inflate the tire. Simple operation, fast and time saving. Repair and inflation in 3 minutes. DIY, no technical expertise required. Once completed, ride immediately. Just rinse the rims and tires with clean water. The tire sealant does not damage the rim and is easy to clean. We compared the differences between Mosa R Tire Instant Repair Kit and other brands' tire repair products on the market. Regarding the tire sealant materials, Mosa uses high-pressure tire sealant, while other brands use low-pressure tire sealant. Therefore, Mosa is better than other brands. Mosa R Tire Instant Repair Kit uses non-flammable gas, which is better than other brands as other repair products use flammable gases. Mosa R Tire Instant Repair Kit uses liquid sealant, but some products use oil sealant. Mosa product is better. When cleaning tires, Mosa R Tire Instant Repair Kit only requires water, while other products require strenuous cleaning methods. After using Mosa R Tire Instant Repair Kit, the tire pressure can reach 80 psi. Other products can only reach about 60 psi. After using Mosa R Tire Instant Repair Kit, you will have a comfortable riding experience, while using other products could be uncomfortable due to insufficient tire pressure. If you have any questions, please contact Mosa.